You're watching a quick look video of how to use the study partner features on clickverse.com. Several of the study partner features take 60 seconds or longer to complete. In quick look mode, we're not going to be going through the entire duration of each of the study partner features. If you would like to look at each feature individually, then click on the help icon at the top and choose instructional videos. For the quick look mode, we'll begin with preview, and I'll start with the slow pace. It resets the timer 130 seconds, and now it's going to give me a longer amount of time to review the question and correct answer combination. Standard mode will reset the clock to 60 seconds. We'll go at a little bit faster pace, and the fastest pace is when you click on fast, and we can cover more questions and correct answer combinations when you're in the fast. So you can review the correct answer is highlighted in white. If you want to review it at your own pace, you can click on Study. Here in Study mode, you see the same format with the timer counting down from 60 at the top. You see correct answers, incorrect answers, your score. You can also see the top score for the study partner and your total points. The title of the study partner is listed above the answers. And in Study mode, the correct answer is always the top answer. If you ever make a mistake and click on a different answer, it will remind you this is study mode, is not meant for trial and error. The correct answer is always the top first answer displayed. Review the question and corresponding correct answer before continuing. And in this manner, you can go through the full 60 seconds of a study session and study the answer and question at your own pace. When you're ready to check how much information you retained, you can take it. The timer begins counting down from 60 seconds. And then you can review how many questions you've answered correctly and incorrectly at the top in your scoreboard. You still see the top score is 0 because this is a study partner that we just created. If you watch the quick look for the extractor, you'll know that this is a study partner that was just created using the extractor mode, the extractor process. Right, I have 7 correct answers. So I'd like to make a mistake, a 1 incorrect answer. I still got a high score because I'm the first one to take the study partner and my score was a positive score. But you'll notice there's a private study partner that appeared at the bottom. A private study partner appears if you do not answer each question correctly, at least once. So on the right side, you can review the statistics. And you can see how many questions you answered per each 10-second interval. And it kind of gives you an idea of how well you're focused for each of the 10 seconds, or actually what you're capable of in 10 seconds. So my best 10 seconds was from the 50 to 60 second mark, actually the 40 to 50 second mark. I was able to answer 3 questions in that 10-second interval. So my first test overall percentage is 70% and the grade is a C. Correct answer is 7, incorrect answer is 1. The average answer time is 7.28 seconds per question, and the clicks per minute is 8. I can review how well I did on each question. I can also review the correct answer and question by clicking on the detailed stats analyzed per question. Here I see the first question was asked once, and I did not answer that correctly. And then I can see there's some questions I didn't get an answer. I didn't get a chance to answer because of my average answer time. I'll also look at the remaining questions and see which question took me the longest to answer, and then which question took me the shortest amount of time to answer. So if I'm able to answer a question in 2.6 seconds, then that means if I can bring these other answer times down from 13.9 seconds to 13 seconds, then most likely I should be able to answer 10 questions within a 60-second interval. When you're done reviewing the question and answers and your performance on each question, you can look at the private study partner and review the question and correct answer combination for the 3 questions that were chosen based on any incorrect answers or below average answer times. When you're done reviewing the question and answer combination, click Try Study Partner. Try Private Study Partner unless you know you're in private study mode. And now it's just going to repeat the 3 questions during the 60-second interval. And now if I ever forget the correct answer, in private study mode, it lets me know that I answered the question incorrectly and reminds me of what the correct answer is. Use the private study partner to focus on accuracy before you increase speed. So this is meant to help you master the questions that you had the most difficulty with when you took the study partner. Now when you take the study partner again, hopefully you've mastered these 3 questions so that you can improve on your first record or your previous record. And as you get more comfortable with the question and answers, you can increase your answer speed. At the end of Private Study Partner, you can retake the Private Study Partner if you're still not comfortable with your mastery level of those 3 questions, or you can choose any of the other Study Partner features listed.